Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews on the most exciting tech products out there. If you're into smart gadgets, wearables, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something very interesting. It's the Rayban Meta Smart Glasses. These glasses look cool, feel light, and have some amazing smart features. Let's see what makes them stand out. The Rayban Meta Smart Glasses are made by Rayban and Meta, the company behind Facebook. This is the second version of these glasses. They've improved a lot compared to the first one. The main idea is to give you classic Ray-Ban style with smart functions built in. So, you get a camera, speakers, microphones, and voice control, all in one pair of stylish glasses. Let's begin with the design. One of the best parts is that they look like regular Ray-Bans. You can choose different styles like Wayfarer or Headliner. There are also multiple frame colors and lens options. You can go for clear, polarized, transition, or even prescription lenses. These glasses don't look bulky or weird. They're slim, simple, and stylish. They're also water resistant, so light rain or sweat won't be a problem. Inside the frame is a 12-megapixel camera. You can take pictures or record 1080p videos. The quality is good enough for casual use. Photos are clear and bright. Videos are smooth and colorful. If you like capturing moments while walking, traveling, or biking, this is perfect. You just tap the side of the glasses or use your voice. It's quick and easy. Along with the camera, these glasses have open-ear speakers. The speakers sit near your ears and let you hear music, podcasts, or calls. You don't need to put anything in your ears. The sound is clear and loud enough, even in busy places. You can enjoy your audio and still hear what's going on around you. For calls and voice commands, the glasses have 5 built-in microphones. They capture your voice clearly, even when it's noisy. You can answer calls or talk to the voice assistant hands-free. Just say, "Hey, Meta," and then give a command. You can take a photo, start recording, ask for the time, or even send a message. The assistant responds quickly and understands most commands well. Battery life is also good. On a full charge, the glasses give you around 4 hours of active use. That includes recording, music, and calls. But the best part is the charging case. It looks like a regular Ray-Ban case but has a built-in battery. It can charge the glasses several times. You get around 36 hours of total use with the case. Charging is done with a USB-C cable and doesn't take too long. The glasses connect to your phone using the MetaView app. The app is simple to use. You can view your photos and videos, manage settings, or update the software. You can also share your content on social media directly from the app. Whether you use Android or iPhone, the app works well and keeps everything in sync. Privacy is also important. When you take a photo or start recording, a white LED lights up. This shows people around you that the camera is on. The light cannot be turned off, which is good for safety and trust. Also, the glasses make a shutter sound when taking photos. So it's never silent. Let's talk about performance. These glasses are smooth and responsive. The camera is good for casual content. Don't expect high-end camera quality, but it's great for everyday use. The speakers sound surprisingly good for their size. You can hear clearly during calls or while listening to music. The voice assistant is helpful and reacts fast. Most commands work well, and it even works offline for basic tasks. The glasses are made for daily use. They feel strong and durable. You can wear them for hours without discomfort. The build is solid, and the materials feel premium. They don't feel like a gadget. They feel like regular glasses, just smarter. Who are these glasses for? They're great for people who love to stay connected without holding their phone all the time. If you're a traveler, a vlogger, or someone who enjoys hands-free tech, this is for you. You can capture moments easily, take calls on the go, or listen to your favorite songs while walking. Everything happens from your glasses. One of the most useful features is hands-free content capture. Imagine walking through a busy street, hiking in the mountains, or attending a concert. You just tap your glasses or say a command, and you're recording. It's simple and fast. You don't have to take your phone out. You just look and record. This makes it perfect for people who want to live in the moment and still share it. Later. There's something futuristic about talking to your glasses. Whether you're asking for the weather, sending a message, or starting a video, it feels cool. And because the voice assistant is always ready, it becomes second nature quickly. You get used to it after a few days, and it really changes how you interact with your tech. Now, let's go over a few downsides. First, these glasses are not cheap. The base price is high, and if you add prescription lenses or special lens types, it can cost more. So, it's not for everyone. Also, while the camera is nice, it's not for professional use. It's great for casual moments but not high-end photography. Another thing to consider is that the best experience comes when you stay within the Meta ecosystem. You can use the glasses with other platforms, but some features are tied to Meta's tools and services. If you don't use Facebook or Instagram, you may not use everything the glasses can offer. Some people also have privacy concerns. Since Meta is behind these glasses, people worry about how data is collected or used. Meta says they've worked hard to improve safety and privacy. There are clear signs when recording, and data sharing is controlled in the app. But it's something to think about before buying. Still, there are some cool extra features. One is live streaming. You can live stream what you see directly to Facebook or Instagram. That's perfect for creators who want to connect with followers in real time. There's also a new AI-powered photo feature. You can ask the glasses to describe a photo or give a summary of what's in it. This helps with organization and accessibility. Compared to the first generation, these glasses are better in every way. The audio is louder, the camera is sharper. The assistant is smarter, and the battery lasts longer. The frame is also lighter, which makes them more comfortable. You can tell that Rayban and Meta listen to feedback and improve the design. If you wear glasses every day, these are a great upgrade. You're not carrying an extra device. You're just upgrading your glasses. They look like normal Ray-Bans, so nobody even knows they're smart. But once you use them, it's hard to go back. The case is very helpful. It holds a charge and protects your glasses. The glasses snap in using magnets, and the LED on the case shows the battery level. When you take them out, they're ready to go. They connect automatically to your phone and pick up where you left off. For travelers, these glasses are amazing. You can walk around new cities, hike in nature, or attend events and record everything hands-free. The glasses are light, fit well, and don't slip. You don't even notice them after a while. But when you need them, they're right there. Connecting them to your phone is easy. The MetaView app walks you through everything. You can change settings, update software, or manage your gallery. You can also customize voice commands and change what happens when you tap the glasses. It gives you full control. There's also autosync for photos and videos. Whenever your glasses are connected to Wi-Fi or your phone, your content is backed up. You don't have to move files manually. You can open the app and share right away. It's smooth and fast. In the end, the Rayban Meta Smart Glasses are a unique product. They combine fashion with smart features. They're not just glasses. They're a new way to capture and enjoy your world. From recording moments to taking calls to listening to music, they do it all. And they do it without looking like a gadget. If you're someone who wants to be connected, capture life easily, or just enjoy tech that works, these glasses are worth checking out. They're not perfect, but they're one of the best smart glasses available right now. The design is great, the features are useful, and the experience feels futuristic. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. If you liked this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss future videos. We'll be back soon with more exciting tech reviews. Until next time, this is Tap Tech, where technology meets simplicity.